If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba with the ticker symbol BABA. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only, does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So another week has passed, and let's see what Baba did. Well, it looks like it dropped where I left off last time, which I believe was on the 26th. It looks like we did come back down to fill in this gap created by probably just a short trap. So you can see that we trapped in some shorts, had a rally up, came back to test a breakout point, found resistance, and we sold off again, closed below the EMA a few times. So let's go over the overall pattern. Overall pattern just pretty much sideways. Very boring chart. At least we are not going down for long-term investors. We are going sideways, which means we're probably closer to a bottom than any time before. You can see that we just go up and then down, then up and then down. So this is a range pattern. Looks like there's some bearish imbalance, meaning that the bears are probably stronger than the bulls. There's probably more aggressive sellers than aggressive buyers in the market, because after you see this strong support at the $88 level, prices shot up, but we found resistance at that $100 level, $101 level, and we sold off again, which is not a good sign. So this tells me that there's more aggressive sellers in the market who want to bring the market down. So with that being said, looks like they're going to probably try to fill in this gap right here and probably test the lower side of this range at the $82 level. So if I was trading this chart, would I be buying or selling? I would do neither, because this is not the place to buy or sell. If prices do come to the $88 level, there's a chance we get a bounce back up to the $100 level, but I wouldn't be expecting it. I'm just saying there's a chance. I would be expecting a breakout to occur on the bottom side. Now, should I sell because I'm expecting prices to go lower? Not really, because we can get a bounce from that $88 level. You can see prices did do it several times before, so why would I want to sell right now, right into a potential support? I'm just estimating and making an assumption that since we cannot go up any higher than the $101 level, prices will probably break this $88 level and then test that $82 level. So it's just an assumption that we're going to break it, given that we cannot go that much higher. Let me zoom out a little bit more. So after we reach that $82 level, which I suspect, we're probably going to make a new low of this entire downtrend back around the low 70s. So let me go and show you this pattern right here. So there was this downtrend pattern in play, but it is complete because prices broke outside of it and made a few legs down to a new low. You can see that we went once and then twice, made a new low. We saw a rally up, but it was so short-lived, which is not a good sign. We cannot even get above the midline of this range, or the upper half, and now we're back below the EMA. So that tells me that, again, bearish imbalance, more aggressive sellers than buyers. They probably want to break this $88 level, enter the $82 level, and probably even the low 70s once again. So that's everything I see for Baba. Very boring, honestly. We're kind of just going sideways for several months, stuck inside this, looks like about a 40-point range, $80 support, 120 resistance. So it's a 40-point range since pretty much about February of this year. So maybe even next year, or towards the end of next year, we get a rally or a uptrend formation. So we'll have to wait and see, but eventually this will probably come to an end. I'm pretty sure Baba is a much better company it was back in the days, and we're trading around the same price level. So let's go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. And here we have the weekly chart for Baba. You can see that we've been going sideways for about several weeks now in this very tight range, and we're in a tight range inside of a bigger range. So you can see that prices are still having a hard time getting above the EMA. We're still below it, which is bearish, and I'll be expecting a new low to be made of this downtrend because we had the first break of the channel. So prices will try to get a break or a retest of the low, or even a new one. So I would not be looking for longs until that new low is met at that low $70 level. So that's my target. I do have a lower one. Let's go and show that right now. So when we make a new low, we can do it in the form of 2 legs, and the form of 2 legs will bring the price to $64-65 level, which is very close to the all-time lows for this stock. So technically there is a bottom for the stock, and it's right at the $60 level. So that's the bottom technically, because that's where prices cannot go any lower and reversed. So if we get near that level, there might be a good chance we see that again. We'll have to wait and see. Sometimes things could get really bearish and we even break that and go lower and lower. But as right now, I'm looking for that, I believe it was the low 80s level to be reached first, then the low 70s, and then the mid 60s. I think there's a high probability for those 3 targets to be met. Overall, it's a downtrend still. We're just taking a pause in the trend. You can see that this started back in November of 2020. So this year will be a 2-year bear market for this stock. So that's all I have for Baba. I'll give you guys an update next week. I still see bearish signs on the chart, and we'll go from there. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel. Since you might be surprised what you can learn, leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.